What is the cell support? It's an alternative to the block support, I would say, and it's much more beneficial in context of support volume, which has to be generated. As you can see, we begin with a big cell, a structure, which is a cell is like a cube, and we position on top the next cell. And the nearer we are getting to the support region itself, we subdivide those big cells. So the big one, so the biggest one has, in my case, 8 times 8 millimeters. Then I subdivide this cell to a 4 times 4 cell, and then a 2 times 2 cell. And then the attachment is done. And this is pretty beneficial in context of build time, support structure, removal of the support structure, because this one can be pretty easy removed. And the depowdering, so when the part is finished and you want to get aware of the loosened or the stocked powder, which is inside the support structure, with these big openings, it's very easy to get the loosened powder out of the support structure. And again, when you think about the needs of a support structure, you can achieve near to the support region a lot of volume, a lot of mass by these smallest cells. And you achieve a lot of XY stiffness. And this is exactly what you wanted to achieve with support structures. But the disadvantage, or disadvantage is probably the wrong word. The benefits can only be achieved when you have a high support region. So when you have a region which is very near to the base plate, it doesn't really make sense to use the cell support. Because the benefits are more achieved when the support region is pretty high. Values here, so the maximum, the minimum number of smallest cell is a parameter which can be, which is very highly recommended to change depending on the material. So I have added here 2 smallest cells. When I expand that to 4, I will end up with more smallest cells, so more stiffness, more volume near to the support area. And for example, this can be helpful for titanium materials or titanium parts. I always was good to go with 2 for aluminum materials or parts which were printed in aluminum. And another point is the max subdivision level of the border. When you allowed the algorithm to use the smallest, which is the subdivision level 2, and the biggest one, you will end up in something like that. So the fitting of the supports to the base to the support region is a bit better. Which can also be beneficial as well.